Exercise 1.9b says we should evaluate the following, leaving our answers in indices form. In this exercise, the coefficient of the index number is no longer 1. So how do you simplify this? This can be said to be equal to, all you need to do is to multiply every power in the bracket by 3. So this is going to be 2 raised to the power of 1 times 3 times x raised to the power of 2 times 3. This is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3 x raised to the power of 6. But I can still simplify 2 raised to the power of 3 to be 8, which is 8x raised to the power of 6, because we are asked to simplify. Okay, leaving your answers in indices form. So this can go. Question 2, this is going to be 5 raised to the power of 1 times 4 times y raised to the power of 3 times 4. If you observe, I'm multiplying all the powers by 4. That is what the indices law of multiplication says. This is equal to 5 raised to the power of 4 y raised to the power of 12. So you can just look at it and say this is equal to 5 raised to the power of 4 y raised to the power of 12. Number 3, this is equal to 3 raised to the power of 5 times x, which is equal to 3 raised to the power of 5x. And for number 4, p raised to the power of 4 all to the power of 5. This is said to be p raised to the power of 4 times 5, which is equal to p to power 20. And for number 5, this is equal to 17 to power 3 times 4, which is equal to 17 to power 12. Question 6 is equal to 11 raised to the power of x times y, which is equal to 11 raised to the power of xy. And for question number 7, this can be simplified to be 5 squared times 3, which is equal to 5 raised to the power of 2 times 3 is 6. For question 8, this is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3 times 3, which is equal to 2 raised to the power of 9. And for question number 9, we have m to power 4 times 9, which is equal to m to power 4 times 9 is 36. Question 10, this is said to be 2 raised to the power of 1 times 7 times x raised to the power of 6 times 7. Remember, you multiply the power of every term in the bracket by 7, and this is equal to 2 raised to the power of 7 times x raised to the power of 6 times 7 is 42. So this is 2 raised to the power of 7 x raised to the power of 42. For question number 11, this cube is only affecting what is in the bracket. So 5 should not be cubed. This is said to be 5 times x raised to the power of 4 times 3. Because 5 is out of the bracket, this is equal to 5x raised to the power of 12. So many students are fond of making that mistake, so please kindly take note. Number 12, this is equal to 2 raised to the power of 1 times 3 times b raised to the power of 4 times 3 times c raised to the power of 7 times 3. And when you multiply this, this is equal to 2 cubed b raised to the power of 12 c raised to the power of 21. Question 13, this is equal to 13 squared m raised to the power of 8 n raised to the power of 12. I'm just going to be giving you the answers. I'm not going to be simplifying it the way I used to, because I believe at this point you ought to have mastered it. Number 14 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3, b raised to the power of 12, and c raised to the power of 21. With your knowledge on multiplication, you should be able to do this at ease. Now for question number 15, the cube is affecting only z and not the second bracket. So this is going to be z cube into x plus 2y. You can as well simplify by expanding this to be equal to xz cube plus 2yz cube. In question 16, this is going to give me exponential a times 6 times c, and this is equal to exponential ac 6ac, because you are in them in alphanumerical order, so 6 should come before a and c. I will leave question number 17 for you to solve as an example. Kindly solve it and let me have the answers down there at the comments section. Note that you are to cube 10 as well as y raised to the power of 5. Kindly like my video as you watch, but I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take the next law of indices.